Both managers and employees in the When to Work system can set up automated notifications so that they'll always know what's going on. To see your employees' notifications, go to the Employees Notifications grid. Every employee with an email address is listed here, and every notification they've set up to receive by email is checked off. You can go in and check off more notifications if you like, and then click Save Changes. Note that employees are always able to unsubscribe or resubscribe to any notifications. You can click on the pencil edit icon beside any employee name to bring up a complete list of the notifications they've enabled for email, push notifications, and text messages. Further instructions for setting up employee notifications are available in the Employee Help section. Now we'll look at setting up your own manager notifications in the app and on the website. On your phone, push notifications look just like text messages, but when they come in, you can click on the notification to go directly into the app. Push notifications come from within your phone, so they'll never be interrupted, blocked, or delayed by third-party cell phone providers. To set up your own push notifications, open the app and go to the More page and then click on your username. Select Push Notifications. You can choose from general notifications, like forwarding new messages received in our When to Work inbox, or forwarding new bulletins posted to the bulletin board. You could receive notifications whenever an employee posts a shift to the trade board, whether that's a trade or a drop. Whenever they trade or pick up a shift, again, that could be a trade, a drop, or a pickup. Or whenever an employee requests time off, if you're allowed to approve time off. You can set up notifications for whenever another manager publishes a schedule, unpublishes a schedule, or edits a published shift, or when they approve or deny any trade board offer, whether trade, drop, or pick up, whenever they approve or deny a time off request from an employee, or when they directly create a time off entry or edit an existing entry. Click Save when you're ready. You're not really finished until you go into your phone settings. Here, you'll want to choose Notifications and scroll all the way down to When to Work in the alphabetical list of apps. You must specifically allow notifications from When to Work. And here, you can customize exactly how they look and how they sound. To set up email and text notifications, go to Settings, My Notifications. In the Email section, you can click Add Edit Notifications for an existing email. Or you can start fresh, adding a new email. Enter the email address in this field. When you send a message in our When to Work messaging system, users can sign in and reply through the system. But if you like, you can check off Reply To, which means that when a message is forwarded to email, the recipient will be able to click Reply, and it'll go right back to you at your email address. Of course, that won't show up in When to Work messaging, so it's up to you whether you'd like to use the Reply To feature or not. You can select to forward your When to Work messages to email. You can also choose to receive urgent alerts. Managers can send urgent alerts, which are just short urgent messages. Managers will find a copy of their sent urgent alerts in the Messaging Sent box, along with the rest of their sent messages. By distinguishing the two, we allow users to make choices, such as perhaps receiving all messages, regular and urgent, in their email inbox, but perhaps limiting text or push notifications to urgent messages only. You can also forward new bulletin board posts and billing reminders from the When to Work billing department. You can also receive emails whenever an employee posts a shift to the trade board, trades or picks up a shift, requests time off, or changes their preferences, such as cannot work times. And again, if you're enabled to do so, you could receive notifications whenever another manager publishes or unpublishes the schedule. Edits a published shift, adds or deletes or edits an employee, approves or denies any trade request, approves or denies any time off request, creates a direct time off entry, or edits an existing one. Whenever a manager changes an employee's preferences or changes the global employee permissions for your account, click Save, and your notifications have been updated. When you set up your text notifications, you have the same options as email, but you'll want to specify that this is text. When it's a text, we will eliminate the subject line and all messages will be truncated to 240 characters. You'll be entering your phone number as a text email address. That means that you need to enter the phone number and the specific domain of your cell phone provider. You can search online for email to text domains, or you can do it the easy way. Send a text message to your own email address. When that shows up in your email inbox, you can copy the return address and paste it right here. Then select just those notifications you'd like to receive as texts and click Save. Now you'll see that you need to enter a 4-digit validation PIN. You should receive a text within just a few moments with your validation code. Simply enter that 4-digit code and click Validate to complete your text message setup.